Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a back to school countdown. For that we print out the printable, this Blackboard, and all the apples I need to count back, and yeah, as well as this label here. You also need a piece of cardstock, and then you need some adhesive. I usually use that for the bigger areas, and this one for these small apples, but it's up to you. And I also need this cutting thing to cut the edges of my paper, and then it gets pretty easy. What we are doing is we cut this paper. It's a perfect craft for a sunny afternoon with your kids maybe, and you just cut that off, the white areas here around the paper, and then you glue it onto the cardboard. And then we're trying to add all the apples, and then you have a beautiful cardboard for your fridge. Maybe you just add that one to your fridge, and you can also add some magnets behind if you prefer to do that. That's an idea. You don't have to, of course, but it's an idea what you can do with this countdown tracker. Okay, I'm trying not to mess things up here. So now I'm going to cut these. I'm also linking the kit I've used, the scrapbooking kit, below, so you see how you can get these elements, or you subscribe and you get the complete set of printable and tons of extra tutorials, of course, always with a printable, so you have a perfect area you can go to whenever you want to start crafting. You have it all together. You can just go ahead, print it out and start crafting, because you have everything you need at one place. I also link the video below where I show you, if you want to be a designer or if you want to try your fingers on that, how to create something like that on the computer, how to create the Blackboard and how to create the apples, and to create that in a perfect distance, align them perfectly, because you need to print them and you need to have them perfectly fitting the Blackboard. So that's why you have to do some work on the computer first. And of course, if you know how to do that, you can sell those printables, and this is why I'm going to link the video below. Okay, that's it. You see, it's pretty easy. You just put some adhesive here and then add your Blackboard on top. You better use a bone folder. I just go over it here with my fingernail. If you don't have one, that's also just fine. Okay, to make things easier, I'm going to add that one here on top, so I know where I can put the apples. And I'm going to start with 31. I put them first here to make sure they fit into the row. You see why it's a good idea to add the one first and the other one last, and then put them in between, because then you can align the rows here. So I'm going to start with 21. Okay, so now I'm going to add that row, so I have it aligned. So, and then I'm going to add the others. So on the computer I had it a little bit different because there was not much space left then, but I like it because now you can add maybe the name of the child here or whatever, or decorate it with other elements from the kit, or you just leave it open. It's also totally doable. Or you write which holiday we are talking about here. So there are some options what you can do. You can also sort them completely different and add less apples in a row and then have no space left here. That's also fine. That's up to you. For me, that's it now. I also have it different on the computer, but I think it's okay. So if you like the video, please make sure you subscribe to our channel, click the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the like button. And then I hope to see you in the next one. Until then, bye.